Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you some distinctive characteristics of corrective structures so that you can better identify corrective structures in real time. By the way, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know when I release new content. Okay, the key to trading patterns and understanding corrective structures is learning to recognize and identify them faster, so that you can structure your trade quickly in real time. Also, before we start, comment below what topics you want me to cover so I can tailor specific content just for you. Alright, first up, what are corrective structures? A corrective structure is typically a three-wave pattern that causes a pause against the movement of price in one direction. The correction can break up into a number of different internal patterns. Okay, let's take a look here at this example. We are at the US 30. So here we see that we are in an uptrend and we have corrections. This correction here is a pause in the movement of the price. The same with this one. We came up, we paused, we came up, we paused, we came up. Notice how the waves in the corrections also break into three waves. We move up, we have a 1, 2, 3. This is the pause, it comes up. 1, 2, 3, and it comes up again. Corrective structures are typically moving in a three-wave fashion, and this is not always the case. So let's look at an essential point here and concept that we have to keep in mind when trading. That concept is market opportunity. The markets and price action never moves in straight lines, and there will be times when the corrective structures, they are very complex and the markets move unexpectedly. At those times it's better to look for other opportunities with clear and simpler patterns. And this concept is very important because it can be very advantageous, because it also gives you a place or a time when you should not trade. And knowing when not to trade is as important as knowing when to trade. So, what are some distinctive characteristics of corrective structures? In wave theory, or Elliott wave theory, you label your corrective waves as A, B, C, where the characteristics of an A wave and C waves are that they are impulsive waves, and the B waves are corrective in form and shape. Why is this so? Let's take a look at this correction here. Okay, right now we have an uptrend. Market is pushing up, prices are going up, and we have a pause here, which is our correction, and it came up again. So in this particular scenario, you would think that this move here and this move here should be corrective because they are going against the trend, right? Market is pushing up, so this is against the trend. But look at how impulsive they are, how sharp they are. This is because of the fractal nature of the markets. There is no one single trend existing at one time. There are multiple trends in the market at the same time, but on different degrees, on different time frames. Therefore, we have to take into consideration that on the lower degree of the structure, right, the A wave, which is this one, and the C wave, which is this one, are actually a downtrend. They are moving with the trend. We have a lower low here, we have a higher high here, a higher low here, and we have a new low. This is a downtrend on this degree here, on a lower time frame. So they are moving with the trend on this degree of the structure, and therefore they are impulsive. Understanding this concept means understanding patterns within patterns and understanding the internal structure of patterns. Okay, before we end, let's do a quick recap. Corrective structure concept. Corrective structures are a pause in the movement of price. Fractal concept. Understanding there's different degrees of structure depending on the time frame. Patterns within pattern concept. Because of the fractal concept, patterns have distinctive forms and can develop many different internal patterns within patterns. So, I'm gonna end it here. But if you want to learn more about this way of trading or this style of trading and want me to make more videos of this kind, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and comment below to let me know what you would like to see more of. Thanks for watching.